At New Balance, they don't make slick TV spots with world-famous jocks. They don't make cool sneakers for hipsters and club kids. All they do is make world-class performance athletic wear and shoes. And this is how they do it.
Work closely with the designers. We'll get a tech pack from a designer. It'll be some sketches, basically their dreams of a new shoe that they want to create. And I'll take their dreams and turn them into reality. We'll turn them into a 3D model. After we create a 3D model, we'll use rapid prototyping to print those sole units out. So we'll end up printing out a sole unit, sometimes flexible. We can print in flexible material, and we can actually sole lay those sole units right onto an upper. And within a matter of a short amount of time, we can go from an idea in someone's head to a prototype someone can walk around in.
An average running shoe has 27 pieces to a shoe, which would be 54 pieces to a pair. An average running shoe gets handled probably by 25 different people in different departments, starting from our cutting department to our pre-fit, to our embroidery, our aerosol, our closing, and finally our assembly area.
The cutting has to be perfect, the stitching has to be perfect. If the stitch is off by a couple millimeters, the shoe may not feel well. If the sole is not applied well, the shoe may not feel well. So we pay equal attention to every stage of the process, really. If a New Balance shoe does not pass strict inspection, we call it a demo, a second. Usually a second is a shoe that cosmetically does not, is good enough to be sold in the retail market. So we send this shoe to our retail stores, to the factory retail store, to be sold as a second. The shoe is perfectly functional. However, there are very few ones that something may happen to the shoe that does not fit right, and those shoes are basically scrapped.
I believe there are two things that set us apart from the industry. One is the fact that we continue to be shoemakers and make shoes here in the United States. Secondly, we design for function rather than fashion. And because of that, we put our heart and soul into every pair of shoes for our customers and our dealers. We manufacture in the United States, first of all, because it's part of our culture. It's who we are. We've been manufacturers for nearly 100 years now, and we really believe that if we understand how to make a pair of shoes and make them ourselves, we make better shoes for our customers.
I'm very proud to say that we're manufacturing products made in the USA.
We know how to make the shoes because we make them ourselves, whereas our competitors don't. They'll develop a shoe and send it to the Far East and ask those guys to make it. We will actually work with them, show them how to make it, and tell them how we want to have it made. We clearly understand what they're doing, whereas our competition does not.
I think that we do different from other shoe manufacturers is the fact that we never settle for any process. The way we think is we standardize the process, we improve, and we always find new ways to make it better.